In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to a Canon printer. So let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to check whether your Canon printer supports AirPrint. Most modern Canon printers do, and if it says AirPrint is supported, you're good because iPad works with that natively. So what you're going to do is to make sure your iPad and the Canon printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if you have one of the modern Canon printers, you can easily go ahead and connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPad is connected to. And this part is super important because if they're on different networks, the printer just won't show up. Now is the part where you will actually print. And for this, you just want to go ahead into your photos or notes and choose the picture or document that you want to print. You want to click on share and you want to scroll down till you find print. And once you're here, you want to click on the printer because currently there's no printer selected. So you're going to go click here and wait here for a few seconds till your Canon printer shows up. And once that is done, you click it, you tap it, and it's connected. And then you can go back and change a few settings as to however you want, and then proceed to print your document. But now, if your printer doesn't show up, Canon has a free app called Canon Print. So if you go to App Store, it has a free app called Canon Print. You install it, open the app, and let it scan the network, and it usually finds the printer automatically. So if you open the app, you search for it, and it should detect your Canon printer, and then from there on you can print documents, photos, and even scan. Now, what about some fixes in case some of the stuff doesn't work? So for example, if the printer doesn't show up, then make sure you restart the printer, perhaps restart the Wi-Fi on the iPad, make sure the printer's firmware is updated, and 9 times out of 10 it's just the Wi-Fi issue that's causing the biggest problem. So make sure both your printer, for AirPrint that is, make sure both your iPad and your printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for AirPrint to work and for it to be able to print from your iPad straightforward. So yeah, connecting an iPad to a Canon printer is actually pretty easy. If your printer supports AirPrint, you don't need any apps at all. If not, Canon's free app usually does the job. Once everything is on the same Wi-Fi, printing from iPad is basically one tap and that's it. You're ready to print. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.